Hello kids, welcome to my channel Draw with Sumi. Today we are going to see how to draw St. Patrick's Day drawing. Before we draw, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Come, let's start. First step is to draw two curves on both the sides of the corner. Next, draw triangles all over the curves on both the sides. Now I am going to draw St. Patrick's ribbon just by slipping curves. We celebrate St. Patrick's Day on March 17th. First, we are going to draw shamrock by using alphabet M and V for leaf. Draw another two leaves just by alphabet M and V continuously. Draw two curves for the stem. Now we are going to draw gold pot. Draw two parallel alphabet C curve. Next, draw alphabet S curve on both the sides. Draw small circles for gold coins. Now we are going to draw St. Patrick's hat. Draw two slanted lines and close the slanted lines by up curve on both top and to the bottom. Draw lines in between two slipping curves and draw square inside. Draw an oval at the bottom. Now we are going to draw flag. For that, draw two parallel standing lines and close it with small curves on both the sides. Draw two S curve and close it with standing line. Draw two circles and U curve for eyes and mouth. Now draw two standing line parallelly. Now we are going to draw a cupcake. For that, draw two slanted line towards inside and close its slanted line just by using slipping line. Draw creams on top of it just by using alphabet small W and C curves. Draw sleeping line and standing line inside the cupcake cover. Now we are going to draw a rainbow. Draw two slipping lines by leaving space in between and upside down U curve from one slipping line to another slipping line. Draw another 4 U curve parallelly, leaving equal space all over the curves. Now we are going to draw moustache by using alphabet small m and sharp edge curve on both the sides. Let's start coloring. Green color, orange color, light green color, green, yellow, dark green, brown, yellow, dark green, light green, pink, black, orange, yellow, dark green, light green, blue, that's it. See, it's very simple. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay healthy, stay safe. See you.